Hello, everyone. My name is Nick, and I live in a small community just north of Knoxville, Tennessee. Health communication is the process in which takes place to possibly spread health, public health campaigns and health education, many times between patient and a doctor, or patient and public health professional, or everyday individuals. Some examples of health communication in everyday life would be simply a person going to see their family doctor and giving a brief summary about what has been going on in the past few weeks, days, or months since their last encounter. Health literacy plays a huge role in my everyday life due to going to doctors and asking them questions that some people may not understand due to the medical terminology that's used. Health literacy also plays a huge role in my stance on vaccinations. Due to the data provided by the CDC, I believe that I can make an informed decision regarding the different vaccines that are available and reasons why a person should be getting vaccinated. Health literacy can be increased among family and friends just by communication with one another. Many individuals, many times uneducated individuals, believe that vaccines cause a multitude of problems for the persons receiving the vaccine. I could offer my educational background as well as reasons why that vaccines are very important, not for just the person getting the vaccine, but the immunosuppressed individuals you may encounter in everyday life, such as people that's going through cancer treatments or people that are just born with a immunodeficiency. The information in this course will follow me throughout my personal and professional life due to after the completion of this master's, I will be going to school to become a medical doctor. I will educate families and friends on the importance of vaccinations and demonstrate to them that vaccines were created to help people in their everyday life using data backed by the CDC. Thank you.